In the world of electronics, it's easy to overlook the humble wire. Yet without these essential connectors, our gadgets would be useless. That's where AGS-TECH steps in. Visit www.agstech.net. This company is a leading provider of electrical and electronic cable assemblies and interconnects. They offer a dizzying array of products all designed to keep the currents flowing smoothly. AGS-TECH's specialty is creating custom cable solutions. They work closely with original equipment manufacturers or OEMs to design and manufacture cables tailored to their exact needs. But their reach extends far beyond OEMs. Anyone in need of high-quality cables, from small businesses to large OEMs, can find what they need at AGS-TECH. Think of AGS-TECH as a one-stop shop for all your cable needs. They offer everything from basic wires and cables to complex assemblies and management accessories. They even provide private labeling, allowing you to put your brand on their top-notch products. Whether you're building a computer, wiring a house, or designing the next generation of smartphones, AGS-TECH has the expertise and products to help you succeed. Let's dive into the world of wires and cables and explore the vast offerings of this industry leader. The world of wires and cables is surprisingly vast. It's not just about thick power cords and thin speaker wires. AGS-TECH offers a wide range of options, each carefully designed for specific applications. First, we have the wires themselves. These are single conductors, often made of copper or aluminum. They come in various thicknesses known as gauges to handle different amounts of current. Thicker wires carry more current without overheating. Cables, on the other hand, consist of multiple wires bundled together. This bundling provides several advantages. It keeps the wires organized, making them easier to manage. It also adds strength and durability, especially when the cables are jacketed with protective materials. AGS-TECH offers cables with different insulation materials, each suited for specific environments. Some cables are designed for high-temperature applications, while others are resistant to chemicals or abrasion. The choice of wire or cable depends entirely on the application. A high-powered appliance will need a thick, well-insulated cable to handle the current. In contrast, a low-voltage signal cable can be much thinner and more flexible. AGS-TECH understands these nuances and helps customers choose the perfect wire or cable for their needs. Anyone who's ever looked behind their entertainment center knows that cables can quickly become a tangled mess. AGS-TECH offers a range of cable management accessories to keep things organized and prevent damage. Cable ties are a simple but effective solution. These flexible strips are used to bundle cables together, keeping them neat and tidy. AGS-TECH offers cable ties in various sizes and materials, including reusable options. For more demanding applications, AGS-TECH provides cable trays and raceways. These rigid structures mount to walls or ceilings, providing dedicated pathways for cables. They keep cables off the floor and organized, reducing clutter and tripping hazards. Cable management is not just about aesthetics, it also improves safety and reliability. Properly managed cables are less likely to be damaged, reducing the risk of electrical shorts or signal interference. AGS-TECH's cable management accessories are an essential part of any professional installation. They ensure that cables are routed safely and efficiently, maximizing performance and longevity. Cables are only useful if they can connect to devices. That's where interconnects come in. These specialized components bridge the gap between cables and electronic devices, allowing signals and power to flow. AGS-TECH offers a comprehensive range of interconnects, including connectors, plugs, adapters, and more. These components are available in various sizes and configurations to meet the specific needs of different applications. Connectors, as the name suggests, connect cables to devices or to other cables. They come in male and female versions, ensuring a secure and reliable connection. AGS-TECH provides connectors for a wide range of applications, from low-voltage signal transmission to high-power industrial equipment. Plugs are used to connect devices to power outlets or other devices. They typically have prongs or pins that insert into corresponding receptacles. AGS-TECH offers plugs that meet various international standards, ensuring compatibility with devices worldwide. Adapters are used to connect devices with different connector types. For example, an adapter might be used to connect a device with a USB-C port to a computer with a USB-A port. AGS-TECH provides adapters for a wide range of connector types, ensuring compatibility between different devices. AGS-TECH's interconnect offerings are as diverse as the applications they serve. Whether you're connecting a smartphone to a charger or wiring an industrial control panel, AGS-TECH has the right interconnects for the job. For a closer look at their extensive product line and to discuss your specific needs, visit www.agstech.net.